Passage number 11. Start. Media's role should have been to unite the nation on this single issue, generate national consensus on national peace and security, neutralize the ethnic and violent sentiments by presenting the true ideology of Islam and Pakistan. But unfortunately, media did not play its due role in this war and continued to travel in its own direction without much contemplating about this grave national issue. Full stop. In this way, the four pillars not only remained unsuccessful in discharging their individual duties but also the coordination between them aimed at salvation of the nation and national development cases to exist. Full stop. This situation hints at the complete failure of the state's machinery and refers to the collapse of the system which is responsible for keeping the state in the line with the requirements of development and progress in this modern era. Full stop. This failure of these institutions resulted in increased militancy, violence, terrorism and extremism in the society, which critically ails Pakistan today and is proving a big hurdle in future course of social progress and national development. Full stop. The response and handling of one issue of terrorism by these four pillars of state, out of many others, is just one example which depicts their ineffective, non-coordinated and non-coherent response, which portrays a dismal picture on the national front and holds them responsible for what ails Pakistan today. Full stop. It has been sustained by the logical reasoning aid with the facts on ground that the current ailing situation of Pakistan is an outcome of dysfunctions of four pillars of state. However, it is difficult to ascertain whether their unfortunate performance is the sole result of, it is difficult to ascertain whether their unfortunate performance is the sole result of circumstances that engulf them and in which they are to discharge their duties, or they have some inside faults and mistakes which hinder them in coming out successful from this germ situation. Full stop. A careful exploration based upon rational analysis, balanced approach and just attitude will give equal proportion to both sides and of the opinion. Full stop. Paragraph. There are some obvious difficulties in the ways of these institutions which have buried them in justifying their role and participating of their full in the development and progress of the country. Full stop. Judiciary could not find itself liberated and independent, rather it remained the victim of theory of necessity in the past. Full stop. Media struggled for its independence and faced sanctions on speaking the truth, which severely checked its role and decreased its effectiveness in performing national duties. Full stop. non-directed legislature, absence of national consensus on core issues, non-existence of national policy, absenteeism of established national targets and goals have put a limit on legislature and executive in terms of their national coordination, full stop. Besides all these, there are some other issues which have grown to the extent within these national institutions of Pakistan that they are proving fatal in their desired performance, which include corruption, nepotism, self-centered goals, vested interests and irresponsible behaviors, full stop.